Greetings of the day, students. Today, the topic which I am going to teach you, that is simple past tense or past indefinite tense. Okay, past indefinite tense, affirmative. Okay, how will you recognize? You can take the example of हिंदी सेंटेंस. यदि आप हिंदी सेंटेंस को देखोगे तो जिस वाक्य के अंत में ता था, ती थी, ते थे, या, ई, ए इत्यादि लगा होता है, उसे आप समझ लीजिए कि ए जो है पास्ट इंडेफिनिट या सिंपल पास्ट का सेंटेंस है. बट इन इंग्लिश, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टॉक अबाउट affirmative sentence. So in affirmative sentence, as you know that any sentence starts with in affirmative any sentence starts with subject, and subject may be either singular or plural. Okay, then first of all I will write the structure, and the structure is here: subject. So subject singular or plural, subject singular or plural. So for singular and for plural, you have to write second form of the verb. You have to write second form of the verb with both subjects, singular and plural both. So here will be second form of verb, and after that object. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. Okay, so I will write here example. Suppose he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Okay, here is he. He is the singular subject, and wrote is the second form of write, and after that letter is object. And when I will write the sentence in with subject, plural subject, what will be here? They wrote a letter. Okay, this is affirmative. This is the affirmative of simple past or past indefinite tense. And what will be negative? Now I will write negative of past indefinite tense. So for negative, first of all we will write subject, singular and plural, and after that helping verb did. Helping verb will be did for both. Did helping verb will be used for both the subject singular and plural, and after that first form of verb. What will be here? First form of verb. First form of verb, and again object. Okay, this is the structure of negative sentence. Now I will write here example of negative sentence. Okay, she did not take tea. She did not take tea. She is the singular, did is helping verb, and not, and after that first form of the verb, and after that object. And what will you? I will write they did not drink milk. Okay, what is here? They did not drink milk. They is plural, and did will be helping verb, not, and first form of the verb, and again object. So in this simple present tense, one thing you are seeing, that helping verb did is used with both the subjects, singular and plural, and in affirmative second form of the verb is used with both singular and plural. So this is affirmative, negative, and after that interrogative. In interrogative, first of all we start any interrogative sentence with question word or helping word. So here will be question word. Question word. Question word, after that did, again subject, first form of verb, and after that object. This is the structure of interrogative sentence. What will be? First of all, you will write question word, and after that did will be helping word, and subject either singular or plural, and first form of the verb, and again object. So here we can write example for interrogative sentence. What will be example? Example just I am writing. Okay. Okay. Example will be why did Ram not come to school? Okay, here is interrogative plus negative. Interrogative plus negative, same thing. Interrogative and interrogative plus negative, same rule is used, only not is used after subject.